Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today we are at the shop and we are going to be taking the old U-joints out of that drive shaft we picked up the other day so we can put the new ones in before installing it in the truck. But before we get into that, I'd like to encourage you all, if you haven't already, to hit that subscription button, the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, leave a comment below. All that stuff really truly helps out more than you'll ever know, and it is greatly appreciated. So let's just get into tearing that sucker apart. If it's easier, I can unscrew this and take these two pieces apart.
No, I think once we get clips out here.
See the holes cleared out, so some of these U-joints are held in with clips, and some of them are from the factory are glued in, or there's like a glue in there, and you need to heat the heck out of them to release that. Torch setup like this is going to work a heck of a lot better than using your little propane plumbing torch. might make them come out a little easier too.
Try it once we're press it.
Sweet. So that's got to be an aftermarket one too, because usually the factory ones are non-serviceable.
Looks like this will problem as well.
Clips ahoy. So maybe by the looks of it, I probably don't need to replace these ones, but I'd hate to put it in the truck and then find out that I've got a squeak somewhere, so it's just better to do it. that's how you get some old U-joints out. That was a lot less painful than I thought. Worked out pretty well. I'd like to thank Brad for helping me today. Well, that's about it for today's video. As you could see, that was pretty much a painless operation. They came out pretty easily. A little bit of heat does go a long way. And in the next video, we will be installing the new ones and putting it in the truck. So stay tuned for that. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.